Alright, today we're going to talk about atoms, and specifically the structure of the atom. Atoms are the building block of matter. They make up all the matter in the universe, and we're going to talk about the individual parts of those. There really are three subatomic particles. You have the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons. And they really are found in two different areas. The protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus. This is a small, dense, positively charged part of the atom. It contains most of the mass. You also have an electron cloud, which is around the outside. That's the area encircling the nucleus where electrons are likely to be found. In the outer shell, in the electron cloud, we typically talk about the location of where these particles are. You have the first level has a maximum of 2 electrons on it. The second level has a maximum of 8. The third one has a max of 18. The fourth one is a max of 32. And the last one is a max of 50. And we'll talk more about that as we kind of go along. The valence electrons. The valence electrons are the outermost electrons that are involved in bonding. That kind of decides how they're going to mix with other atoms as well. The valence is the number of bonds an atom can form. An atom is most stable when its outermost energy level is full. The characteristics of the atoms. The atom is actually determined by the number of protons that it has. That determines the identity of the atom. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons. The number of protons is also equal to the number of electrons, especially at this point. We might change that again a little bit later. The atomic mass is the mass of the protons and the neutrons. The mass of the neutron is 1 atomic mass unit, or AMU. The proton is also approximately 1 AMU. And the electron has a mass of 1 divided by 1836 AMU, or 1 over 1836 AMU. It's a very, very tiny particle. We usually talk about the mass associated with the neutrons and protons. Okay, so decoding the atom information here. You have a number at the top, and that's the atomic number. The atomic number is going to equal the number of protons. And right now we're going to say that the protons are going to equal the electrons as well. So if we, in this case, we have carbon, so we have 6 protons, we're also going to have 6 electrons with that. You have the big C in the middle, which is the atom symbol. You have the name of the atom, which is carbon, and you have the atomic mass. The atomic mass is 12.011 according to, or for carbon. And so that means it's going to have an average mass of about 12. We usually round that when we talk about it. So the atomic mass is going to equal the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So our atomic mass is 12 here, 12.011. So the atomic mass equals our protons plus our neutrons, and we know from the atomic number that our atomic number equals 6. So your mass number is 12, 6 of those are protons, that means that 6 of those also have to be neutrons. We'll continue to work with this, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.